Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me.
What's up, beauties? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. Today what I'm going to be doing is demonstrating how to achieve this gorgeous bomb colorful curly look here. This is a lace frontal wig, so I'm going to be demonstrating how to achieve this entire look. So please stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you all in the video. So this is the hair that I'm using. This is my frontal that I got. It's laid and slayed lace closure. Well, that's what it says, but it's a frontal. So the color I am using is Adore. Now, this is indigo blue, which is the number 112, however you want to say it. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to brush the color on there, because I didn't, by being a frontal, you can't just dip this hair in a bag or anything like that. You have to go through and really color this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle it on there, starting from the bottom. And I'm going to work that color in. Okay, now that I got that color, what I'm going to do is go ahead and color these bundles. Now I have an 18, a 16, and a 14. This is the 16-inch. The body wave. I wish I could have got my frontal in the body wave, but they didn't have it, so it was like, whatever, I'll do the straight. But for this style, it really doesn't matter, so it's still gonna be bomb. So now I place the bundle inside a cap. I'm doing one bundle at a time. These caps were only $1. They come with like a lot. Come with a lot of caps. So I'm just gonna apply the color inside the bag. Then I'm gonna insert a small amount of water inside the bag just to spread the color. Help spread the color, I mean. Okay, so for this part, I went ahead and took the bundles out of the bags, and now I'm going to go through thoroughly and apply some more color over it. The reason I did the technique inside the bag is because it makes it easier for me to apply it once I get to brushing it through, just to make sure it's thoroughly through all the way. It's an easier process rather than doing it on solid blonde because it's a wider amount to cover, so it made it easier for me to apply doing it this way. So this is actually how the color came out. I really like how it came out. It is so cute. Someone cute. I mean, well, it's very gorgeous. What I'm going to do is pin this on the cap using pins. So I'm going to insert one pin. You want to make sure you're pulling it slightly in front of the cap. You don't want it directly lined up with it. And then in the back, I'm going to take a pin for each side. Now that I have the pins properly applied, I'm going to take the sides of the hair and braid it down so that I won't have any issues as far as the hair interfering while I am sewing the hair in. Now I'm going to sew down my first side, starting from the center and working my way over, making sure that you're not poking a hole through the mannequin head. Pulling that all the way through, opening the end of the thread and applying the needle all the way through it. Step moving over. Now when getting toward the actual band of the cap, you want to make sure that you're not actually going through the band and only through the fabric. Because if you go through the band, you're not going to be able to stretch the wig at all. And now I'm going to repeat this exact same step on the other side. I'm going to sew this first track here, starting from the edge and work my way over. I like to double my tracks in the back, and then toward the front I do single. Now I'm going to take that and seal the deal at the end by tying it in a knot. And now I'm going to take that and bring it over and repeat the same step going back this way. Alright, as I complete the top of the head, I am continuing to work my way all the way over. Still using the same pattern. Now that I'm all done sewing the hair in, now I'm going to go in and pluck the front to make it look as natural as possible. And what you want to do is work on one section at a time. So the way I'm doing it by pulling the baby hairs out, I'm taking it and weaving it out. In an up and down motion. So that I don't use too much hair for the baby hair. And then I already started plucking the hair, of course. Then I'm going to go across and cut it, but I'm going to cut it in a shaggy way so it's not like harsh lines. You do not want any harsh baby hairs at all. Going back in. I'm going to be using my flexi rods that I got from the beauty supply. This is a 1 inch. And then you're going to take it from here. Toward the top, I am using smaller rods. I forget the size of these, but they're smaller, that's for sure. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed creating this look. It was a bit of a process, but I got it done. It is cute. I like it. Please be sure to let me know what you think in the comments. If you are going to attempt to recreate this look, please be sure to tag me on my Instagram, which is beautybyjanelle_. I would love to see you all's work. If you all are going to recreate this, please let me see. I would love to see it. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video so that others can see it as well. And I'll catch you beauties in my next video. Bye, beauties.